Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, it's paramount to clean lint out of your dryer, and it's very important because it's a highly combustible material, and with heat and other friction it may catch fire if you don't clean it properly. Now in most of the brands that you use, they come up with like instructions that whatever kind of filter you use, like they tell you like clean after each use, and you should definitely, like, you see how much lint is there. So we know how to clean this, right? We just take this off. But do you really think this much is enough? Maybe not, because the last thing you want is that a fire because of not cleaning lint. So what we can do is, like, to clean properly, of course some steps could vary based on the models you have. You don't need to do these extended steps every time, but sometimes. So in the first part, like, we are going to take the lint out. You see that there's so much of lint here, and it's highly combustible material. Okay, so, and this, in all machines that I have seen, say that you must clean it after every use, and you should thoroughly clean it. Okay, make sure as much as you can take off. Okay, it's very important. You should always read the manual of your machine for any particular instruction, something and everything. Okay, but okay, so now you see I have this much quantity of lint available. But is that so? Is this end? That's it? Are we done? No, we don't. So there's some extended steps that you should do periodically, if not daily. See this area, if you take a look inside, do you see lint here on the surface, other areas? Okay, on the corners. What are these? These are lint too, and they are combustible too. So it's very important that we clean these areas too, that we don't clean often. In some, now it depends on the model you have. In some model, like you may need to take the screws out. Like, you see there's a screw here, okay, and there's a screw here. So in some model where it's thick, you can take the screws out and clean it nicely. If you don't have that, what you can do, step number one is to, if there's something that you can take out from your hand, you can do that. But again, there are deep areas that you cannot reach with your hand. So try to like, a lot of lint is currently adhered to the surface. Try to hit it so that it falls down here. Okay, that you can do later. Now, one important thing I can tell you is, if you use a screwdriver, wrap it with a piece of cloth, because you don't want to use any damaging force, and rub around and try to reach the areas that you cannot. Basically, this is to make sure that any lint that is stick to the surface is actually broken down and falls inside it. Once you are through that, what next we're going to be, you're going to use a vacuum cleaner. You can use home vacuum cleaner and anything, that's good. It should not have too much suction. I'm using this car vacuum cleaner because its handle can easily go there. So in this way you can do it, and then you can take a look at before and after, and you're gonna see, like, you can see a sharp difference right away. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.